This video is sponsored by Physgun Hosting. If you're looking for the perfect place to kickstart your development journey, look no further than Physgun Hosting. They offer a comprehensive range of services that are designed to meet your development needs. Even if you're not a professional scripter or Gmod developer, they have over $500 worth of free add-ons available at the click of a button. Physgun Hosting provides three default packages. These packages include Starter, Growing Community, and Turbo. These packages offer a variety of features and resources to suit your requirements. However, if you have specified needs, don't worry. Physgun Hosting also offers a custom option allowing you to tailor your package and add exactly what you need. One of the great things about Physgun Hosting is their vibrant and supportive community. They have a dedicated Discord server where developers and enthusiasts come together to share their knowledge and help each other out. And it doesn't stop there. Physgun Hosting also caters to other popular game hosting options, such as Rust and Minecraft. Additionally, they provide web hosting and dedicated server hosting services, giving you a comprehensive platform for all your hosting needs. You can even host your own Discord bot. And here's the best part. As a special thanks to you, my viewers, Physgun Hosting has provided a discount code exclusively for you. When you make a purchase, use code SENTU2023 to get a whopping 35% off your order. I'm truly grateful to Physgun Hosting for their support in making this video possible. So if you're ready to embark on an exciting development journey, I highly recommend checking out Physgun Hosting. The link is in the description below along with my discount code for you to take advantage of. Now let's get back to the video. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing more on Physgun Hosting. So today we're going to be working with debugging, and also we're going to be working with different game modes. So the first thing we're going to actually do is work inside our debugging, because debugging is a vital part of development. So there are many different types of errors, especially when it comes to actually RP servers, meaning the add-on dark RP modification. Meaning, if you mess up something in dark RP modification, that many things bad could happen. But the best way to know that there's a dark RP modification error is something that we call stoneman. And what I mean by stoneman is basically making it where you look like a statue, kind of like a stone man. I'm going to go ahead and mess up some things inside the dark RP, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you how to actually fix the problem. And yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, and we're back. So we're gonna go ahead and look at what is happening now. So I don't actually have third person, but I'm pretty sure I'm a stone man. Maybe not. I'm actually able to access all of my weapons. So what we're going to look at is right when we joined the server, it said that we have a darker P modification error. So we're gonna go ahead and open up the console. To open the console, you could either push escape on a keyboard or you can push F10. This is the console which is gonna bring up. So what we're going to look under is where it says dark RP message of the day. We're going to go ahead and ignore this and look down here where it says there is a one Lua problem. It's going to ask you to check your console for more information, but it could also be here. So it says Lua is unable to understand, and it says where the error is, which is custom things job.lua, because its author made a mistake on line number 26. So it also tells you sometimes what the error is going to be right before the comma Lua encountered something it would not make sense of. So we're going to go ahead and go to this inside of our console. We could also no. Alright, so we're going to go to where it is, Garry's mod add-ons, and then ours was in dark P modifications and Lua and custom things and jobs. So the line, it says, you can see it right here, which is a great thing about this panel, where we have two commas. There's our first mistake, right? You can probably see a couple other mistakes that are in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and save this. I could go back in this console. I don't see anything else broken in here. Yep, there we go. Now it says Lua error. Now there is another Lua error. let's see. Admin panel. So since the darker P modification is creating errors, is confused on what is happening. So let's see what else is happening. I do know where all my errors are. Let's see, this is a very specific. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do another restart so we could get another error so we could actually see what's happening. And now we load it back in. So now we could go see some of our other errors. So let's go back to the same place. Let's go ahead and continue down here. See, restoring game mode sandbox. Let's see, dark P has all that. No, none of my errors. Workshop DL not loading. Not worried about that right now. I'm going to be worried about something that's breaking the server. And here we go. Now it's saying that we have a mistake on line number 39. It's going to be in the same place, which is darker P custom things job. So right before the end, comma, Lou encountered something that it cannot make sense of. So we're going to go back into the same file, which is going to be again dark P modification. Lua, not config. Custom things, and then our job. And then it said number 39. It's marking the error for us. Expression near end. What it means by this is going to be this thing right here. This category right here is breaking our server. So what we're going to do is right under next and demote. And yes, these errors are kind of common. I have seen this kind of error in other servers. So we're just going to go ahead and fix that. So now that's going to be put. Now we're going to save this. And so this is basically just continuous restarting and continuous looking for errors. If you're lucky, you'll get a error in the chat before you have to restart in the server. Restart the server again. But yeah. Oh, and we got another error. So this is a different one. The category of staff on duty. Staff does not exist. Alright. So as we can see, if we go on here, nothing's working. We added a staff on duty job. It's not working. So it can't find the category for that. So we're going to go ahead and go look for the error in our category. So Lua, custom things, and we're going to our category. And now we can look at this. So what we could actually see, what you could probably see what the problem is with this is going to be the extra E. Of course, this is the easy mistake to miss, and look out for extra commas and all that. And there. So now we're going to go ahead and save this one, and that should fix that problem. And right now, I don't see any other errors. And we're back. Welcome back. Alright. So now we're going to look for any more errors. As you can see, I don't have any more actual errors over here. You could also check the problems down here, except these are for other errors that I had. So you don't really gotta worry about these right now. Except for this one. This thing is categories on line number 24. Corrupted category staff. So I'm pretty sure this is an old error. So we're gonna go back and check again. So dark P, Lua, and custom and category. Line 24 right here. Okay, so this is a start. It's saying corrupted category. But let's go ahead and see if our job is working now. Yes, our job is now working. It's up here. And yeah. But one problem that y'all might not see for a while until, because it won't come up as an error, is if you make a mistake with typing mistake inside of jobs. Meaning, what I mean by this is one of these where it says vote, license, and demote. So you won't be able to tell about you won't be able to see these errors or figure out that there's errors like this until you either review your code or if you try to do something and it won't work in game. So always make sure to recheck your code. Or there's this cool not GLUA, I'm sorry. There's this nice Lua thing. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this in the description. That's gonna automatically check your code. So I'm going to go ahead and replace this. I'm going to go ahead and copy my job here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and paste it here. And then I'm going to pretty print. Let's see, it's not detecting the error. That's perfectly fine. That's fine. So it's not detecting this error usually because I'm not really usually but it could detect errors, meaning so if I put another comma here, it's going to detect this error. So it's basically the same thing on this one where it's not detecting this error. Not sure why it doesn't detect that error. It should. But if I place another comma here, etc., if I place let's say another end, it's going to fix it. It's going to tell you how to fix it. Click comma here. That's fine. Let's see. Yeah, any of these, it seems like it's fine. But yeah, it also helps with the coloring. So if you want to make sure something's true or false, it comes up with that. So it turns white if it's not the right. Turns pink if it is. And yeah, there we go. So we're going to go ahead and fix all this, save this file, and then go ahead and restart the server. And I'll see you guys in a second. And we're back again. Alright, so now we're not getting any errors. Everything seems like it's working fine right now. F4, see our categories all the way up here, so we seem to be all good. I don't see any errors in the console. That's nice. So a good way to find real-time errors, if you don't have it already, if you're in the development stage, is if you go inside of your server, if you go into your, let me find this, I believe this one's server options, yeah. There's glua or Lua refresh. I don't know why I keep saying glua. Basically, it refreshes every time you save something in the server, it refreshes the server. So, meaning if you edit something in a file, it automatically refreshes the file once you edit it again. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and mess with game modes. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go into, first thing we're going to do is go back to our dark P modifications. I'm not sure if I showed you this in the past in my past videos, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this again. So in the server, there's something called door system. So basically what door system is this default unknown thing. So it's basically allows you to claim doors and all that. But let's say you are running a different type of server. Let's say Star Wars RP, right? Or SCP RP or Police RP, or not Police RP, but like SCP RP or Star Wars RP, and you don't want to be able to claim these types of doors. So an easy way to fix that is to go into your modules inside of the config and disable underscore defaults in your dark P modification. And you're going to go under chat indicator or whatever's right here, going to enter brackets, commas, I'm sorry, not commas, parentheses. We're going to type in door system, right? And then we're going to do whatever you want it to be. Let's say we want it to true. So basically this is going to disable it. So it's basically asking, do you want this to be disabled? Yes, no. But we do want it to be disabled, so we're going to go ahead and put true.